Have you been thinking about starting your own business? Congratulations! Starting a business is an exciting and rewarding journey. However, one of the most important things you need to consider is how to fund your business. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the different ways to fund your limited liability company, LLC, and help you choose the best option for you. Funding your LLC is one of the most crucial steps to turn your business idea into a reality. Starting a business requires money, and while it's possible to bootstrap or self-fund your business, sometimes you need more funds to achieve your goals. Whether it's to cover startup costs, expand your business, or simply stay afloat during tough times, having access to capital can make a significant difference in your success. Raising funds for your LLC is not as complicated as it may seem, and you can follow the following steps to seek funding for your venture. Step 1. Decide how much money you will need. The first step in funding your LLC is to determine how much money you will need. To do this, create a detailed business plan outlining your expenses, projected income, and cash flow for at least the next 2 years. This plan will give you a good idea of how much money you'll need to get started and keep your business running. Step 2. Using personal assets. One way to fund your LLC is to use your personal assets, such as savings accounts, stock market, or real estate portfolio. This can be a great option if you have a substantial amount of money saved up that you can tap into without facing early withdrawal penalties. However, it's essential to keep in mind that using personal assets comes with risks, such as losing your savings or retirement funds if your business doesn't succeed. Step 3. Contact your personal network for informal loans. Another way to fund your LLC is to contact your personal network for informal loans. This can include friends, family, or acquaintances who believe in your business idea and are willing to lend you money. These loans are often interest-free or come with low interest rates, making them an affordable option. However, it's crucial to be clear about the repayment terms to avoid straining your personal relationships. Step 4. Inviting new members to contribute capital. If you have a business partner or want to bring new members into your LLC, you can invite them to contribute capital. This can be in the form of cash, property, or services, and it's a great way to raise funds while also expanding your team's skills and expertise. However, keep in mind that inviting new members comes with legal and financial implications, so it's essential to consult with a lawyer and accountant before making any decisions. Step 5. Making a capital contribution in the form of cash or self-funding the business. As an LLC owner, you can also make a capital contribution in the form of cash. This means investing your own money into the business in exchange for ownership rights. This is a common way to fund an LLC, and it allows you to retain full control over the business. However, it's essential to be clear about the terms of your investment and how it will be repaid. If you choose to go through this route, you have to use your personal funds to cover all expenses, such as rent, supplies, and marketing costs. While this is a great way to maintain full ownership and control over your business, it can be challenging to sustain in the long term without external funding. Step 6. Crowdfunding. Another way to fund a limited liability company is through crowdfunding. Crowdfunding involves asking people online, on sites like Kickstarter or Indiegogo, for donations. You are asking for donations from the crowd in exchange for a reward. It can be a great way to quickly get your small business off the ground. You will already have some money coming in even before launching your campaign. There are a few things to have in mind when crowdfunding. You'll need an innovative marketing approach to have people donate money to you. You may not be able to raise as much money as you want through crowdfunding. It can take time for the money raised through crowdfunding to reach you. You'll be able to withdraw it once your campaign is over. Depending on the website and how long your fundraising time is, this could take weeks or even months. Crowdfunding is an excellent option for funding your business if no other funding options are available to you. Step 7. Seeking loans or investments from friends and family. If you're not comfortable using your personal funds or assets, you can also seek loans or investments from friends and family. This can be a more formal option than informal loans, and it's essential to have clear terms and repayment plans in place. You can draft a loan agreement or investment contract with the help of a lawyer to ensure that everyone is on the same page. Step 8. Using a rollover for business startups (ROBs). A rollover for business startups (ROBs) is another option to fund your LLC. This involves using your retirement funds to start or invest in a business without facing early withdrawal penalties or taxes. However, this option comes with significant risks, such as losing your retirement savings if your business fails. Step 9. Grants and local government programs. You can also explore grants and local government programs to fund your LLC. Many government agencies and organizations offer funding opportunities for small businesses, especially those in certain industries or locations. However, these programs often have strict eligibility requirements and a competitive application process. Step 10. Apply for conventional loans from institutional lenders. If you're looking for a more traditional financing option, you can apply for conventional loans from institutional lenders such as banks, credit unions, or online lenders. These loans come with interest rates and repayment terms, and you'll need to have a strong credit history and business plan to qualify. Step 11. Look into credit cards for short-term financing. If you need short-term financing for your LLC, you can also consider using credit cards. Many business credit cards offer rewards and cashback programs, making them a useful tool for small businesses. However, keep in mind that credit cards come with high interest rates and can quickly lead to debt if not used responsibly. Step 12. Connect with peer-to-peer lending sites. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending sites are another option to fund your LLC. These platforms connect borrowers with individual investors willing to lend money at competitive interest rates. However, these loans often come with higher interest rates and fees than traditional loans, so it's essential to compare your options carefully. Funding your LLC is a critical step in starting and growing your business. While there are many options available, it's important to choose the one that best fits your needs and goals. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the InkFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because InkFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. InkFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.